In Al-Balad streets, hand in hand we stroll, a timeless romance that fills the soul. Coral stone buildings as our backdrop, our love story unfolds like a love knot. Our footsteps echo in the narrow ways, as we pass by stalls and open doorways. The past and present merge seamlessly, as we bask in the district's charm so dreamily. In Souk al-Alawi, we share a laugh, as we sample spices and drink fresh saf. The aromas of the souk are rich and sweet, a sensory experience that cannot be beat. At Al-Nasif House, we hold each other tight, as we marvel at its intricate delight. The past comes alive in every nook and cranny, a glimpse into history's fascinating journey. As the sun sets over the district's skyline, we pause and take in this romantic shrine. A magical place that's filled with love and history, a true testament to Jeddah's cultural mystery. In Al-Balad's enchanting ambience, our love blooms with a fiery radiance. A place where time stands still, our love story is written in Al-Balad's thrill.